kids. Hello, my name is Poonam Srivastav, class teacher of LKG from Gurukul Kids Preschool, Manjalpur. Now kids, let's start our session with morning prayer. God bless me and God bless you. God bless me and God bless you. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless mommy and daddy too. God bless children here today. God bless children here today. God bless children far away. God bless children far away. So kids, I hope you revised your lesson at home and have you done your homework. Now today's new concept between numbers. So first of all we revised numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So our new concept is between number. First of all, here are some pictures. We can easily learn between. Okay kids? Here star, triangle, square. So star and squares between. Which figure is between? Triangle. So answer is triangle. Here candy, softy and triangle. So which picture is between both softy and flower, triangle and softy? Which one is middle? Triangle. Triangle is in middle. So answer is triangle. Now kids, here we learn between number 1 and 2. These are in which number is middle? Number 2. Number 2. And 2 and 4's middle number is 3. Between 3. 4, 5, 6 between 5 number. Between 5 number. And 7 and 9 between number is 8. And 8 and 1, 0, 10 between number is 9. So kids, in your book, page number 67, practice, mention the date. What comes between? Write the numbers that comes between the given numbers. One has been done for you. So kids, here is 1 solve. 4 and 6 between number is which comes 5 number. And 8 and 1, 0, 10 comes between 9. 2 and 4 which number comes between 3. And 6 and 8 which number, what comes up between 7. 3 and 5 what comes between 4. 3, 4, 5. And here is 5 and 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. 1 and 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. Now here is 7 and 9. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. Let's check again. 4 and 6 comes between 5 number. 8 and 1, 0, 10. What comes between 9 number? 2 and 4 comes between what number? 3. 6 and 8. What comes between 7? 3 and 5. What comes between? 4. 5 Next number. 1 and 3. What comes between 1 and 3? 2 number. 7 and 9. What comes between 7 and 9? 8 number. Now here is practice book. See kids, page number 26, homework. Mention the date. Here is between number. Given here are some between numbers. So this is your homework kids. Okay kids, thank you.